Good morning, students. Let's revise lines and angles. Line is a collection of points which never ends. Means a line does not have any end point and it can be extended endlessly in both the direction. A ray is a part of line which has an initial point which is end point and it can be extended in one direction only. Line segment is a part of line with fixed length. It has two endpoints and it cannot be extended. Angle. Angle is space between two rays with same initial point. Types of angles. The smallest angle is zero angle. Its measure is 0 degree. Acute angle, which is between 0 degree and 90 degree. An angle measured 90 degree is called right angle. Obtuse angle lie between 90 degree and 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle lie between 180 degree and 360 degree. It means reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. When both the rays of an angle coincide each other after taking a complete rotation, it is called complete angle and its measure is 360 degree. Pairs of angles. Complementary angles. When sum of two angles is 90 degree, the pair is complementary angles. Supplementary angles are when sum of two angles is 180 degree. For adjacent angles, two angles need a common vertex, a common arm or ray. Non-common arms are in opposite direction, one to left hand side of the common ray and other to right hand side of the common ray. When two adjacent angles sum up to 180 degree, it is called linear pair. Opposite rays for linear pair make a straight line. It means for linear pairs we should have two conditions. One, the pair should be adjacent, and second, the sum should be 180 degree. But for supplementary angles, the pair can be adjacent or non-adjacent angles. Vertically opposite angles. When two intersecting lines intersect each other at one point, four angles are formed. From that, opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. Like in the given figure, angle 1 and angle 3 are equal, angle 2 and angle 4 are equal.